Class 8 student. Today I will explain you the process of opening the Java program and writing the Java program. For that, the first thing is you have to write command prompt in the search box. Here you can see the command prompt. Either you can click on the start button as well, and here also you can look for the command prompt. The another way is to write CMD also. If you write CMD, still you will get that command prompt option. So you have to click on that. The command prompt will appear in front of you. Now, here you have to write the command. Command for getting inside JDK bin. So for that the command is cd/jdk. Now the different versions, as I am having 1.7.0, if you are having at your home 7.5, 7.8 or 1.8, 1.6, 1.5, any version you can use. Then /bin. So this is the command cd/jdk 1.7.0/bin, and then you will press the enter button. So if your command is correct, you will be switched to the bin, or you will be shifted inside the bin. Now I would like to show you that where is that bin. So if you open this my computer or this PC, then local disk C, as you can see here it is JDK 1.7.0, and inside that I have bin. So this complete address c/jdk 1.7.0/bin, this is what written in this also, c/jdk 1.7.0/bin. So for that we have written that command, that cd/jdk 1.7.0/bin. Now here the next thing is to open Notepad, where we will write the program. The command is notepad space filename.java. Let's say I am creating a file example.java. Press the enter button. Now this will ask you to create a notepad. As you can see here, it is written untitled, and it is written cannot find the file example.java. Do you wish to create, want to create? Yes. As soon as you click the yes, it becomes example. Now here we will write the program. For writing the program, the first few lines will remain common. You have to write this always: import java.util.scanner semicolon. Remember that the scanner's S will always be capital letter. Then after class, and then the class name. The class name should be same as the file name. So what we have, the file name example. So class example. Curly braces open. Here I am writing public static void main. As we are in class 8th, so you have to remember this code. Okay, every time you have to write this. Okay. Now the next thing is curly brace open. Here scanner sc equal to new scanner, and then in bracket system.in. Now things to remember for you is, everywhere the scanner S will always be capital, the string S will always be capital, and the system's S will always be capital. Now what the question? Let's say I want to print name. So for printing on screen, we have this method system.out.println, the println method, which will print the content, whatever you are writing inside that println double quotes will print as it is. So if I write inside the double quotes name is equal to, okay, now XYZ, so it will print like this, same, semicolon. Similarly, again, system.out.println. Now I am writing here class, let's say 8B. Similarly, system.out.println. I'm writing here St. John's School, Tulsipur, Ghazipur. Okay. So whatever you will print or you will write inside the double quotes will print on screen as it is. Okay. The way you are writing here, the same way it will be printed on screen. Okay. The next task is to save. For saving, file menu, click on the save option. Now again come back to the command prompt. It is suggested to not close the windows like this command prompt window or this program window. Keep it open. Okay, you can switch from one window to another. Now here the command for compiling Java C space example.java. One more time, what we are doing here, we are compiling the program, and this is the first step, Java C space example.java. The program is compiling, so it is successfully compiled. There is no such error. Now I will be writing here Java space example, that is class name, Java space class name. So we have class name also example. Now I will press the enter button. C, name equal to XYZ, class 8B, St. John's School, Tulsipur, Ghazipur. So in the same way what you have written inside the println, it is printing over here onto the screen. Okay, so these are the few commands. One is how to open command prompt. Please go back on in this video and see that how we are opening the command prompt. Then after this command, cd/jdk 1.7.0/bin. Then the next command is notepad space filename.java. Then you will switch to the notepad and here you will write the program. These 4 lines will remain common. One thing will change, that is the file name, the class name, that will be different, depends on your requirement. Then after write the code, and after saving, here is the command Java C space filename.java for compilation, and for execution Java space class name, and your program will be executed. Okay, I hope this video will clear all your doubt of how to create program, how to start the Java programming. Okay, thank you so much.